I'm recording right now. This is how we do Christmas in the North, baby. Blizzard and all. And we gonna fuck around. Let's go. We don't mess. Christmas storm, 18 inches. Don't put us down. Yeah, let's go. You see that? Gaylord, Michigan. Look at this. We got like 16 inches of snow. This is how we do Christmas in the North. Right here. Christmas in the North, right here. Yeah, look at that. Look at that snow. Look what I just walked through. Yeah, and it's still snowing, but this is how we do it right here. This is how we do it. Northern Michigan.